G'day everyone. Yeah, can't see me because it's dark. But this is my commute to work every morning. It's not even daylight yet. What the hell? Oh jeez, it's cold. I'm tired. I want to go back to bed. Well, that's better. It's daylight. Well, it's afternoon now because I'm going home. It's about lunchtime. It's not too bad, working till lunch and then bugger off and go home for the day. Yeah, so I went to a friend's house yesterday. They were having a bit of dramas with their computer, and I thought, oh yeah, I'll have a look and you know, see what I could do. Anyway, they said, oh, would it be any better if I added more RAM to it? And I said, yeah, you know, a bit more RAM's not going to hurt. So they asked me, you know, could you add some RAM to it? So I did. So before we finish off today's video, we've got some questions. As I've said to you guys before, if you do have a question, please do send them my way and I will answer them. This is a great opportunity for you guys to get to know me a little bit better and to sort of tap into what's here. Believe me, you don't really want to know what's up there. Yeah. So anyway, we'll find some of these questions now. I'm hoping I'm holding this camera up properly. I'm using the flip, by the way. I haven't used this for a while, so I thought, well, I'll use it for a couple of days and give it a good run. So start from the bottom this time. Keeling asked me, what do I do to relax? I'm only on the computer most times, watching YouTube videos and whatever. I play games every now and then, watch movies. That's about it. I do go out with the family every now and then, but yeah, most of the time it's just computers and movies. Big Gaz. Before I get into his question, I just want to warn everybody that Gaz is probably going to come up with some weird questions. He did last time I did a video every day for a month. So just be warned. His question is, why are people obsessed with VEDA? That's a credit reporting agency. Well, well, I am reporting a credit loss. I don't have any credit. Well, there you go. And Rick Old Salty. How long have you had red hair? I am not a redhead. Now there is enough light in here to notice that it's not bloody red, is it? Him and this other person I know, Steve W. or The Right Times or Coffee and a Slicer, the pair of them always calling me a friggin' ranger. They think I'm a redhead, but I ain't. And that's it. That's it for today. Short and sweet. That's it, guys. As I've said before, if you do have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section, or you can leave them either on Twitter or my Facebook like page. All the links to that will be down in the description bar. That's it for day 3, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.